Peace!
Hello guys, in this video we are going to see about how the relay works. First we see what is relay. A relay is an electrically operated switch. Current flowing through the coil of the relay creates a magnetic field which attracts a lever and changes the switch contacts. This is the relay. It includes electromagnet which controls the opening and closing of relay. The 1 and 2 are the coil terminal. The third terminal is the movable contact terminal. The fourth is the normally open terminal and fifth terminal is the normally closed terminal. This structure is present inside the relay. This coil-like object is the electromagnet. The armature or the moving part that pushes the contact to open or close the circuit. The electrical contact is needed in order to transfer power, which is connected to the armature. Initially, the armature is in contact with one terminal, which is called normally closed contact. When the electric current flows through the two terminals of coil, it produces magnetic field, which pull the lever and come to contact with another terminal, which is called normally open contact. This is the two terminals of coil, and the opposite two terminals are normally open and closed terminal with respect to the armature terminal. When we give power supply, the armature terminal is connected with the normally open terminal, but initially it is in normally closed terminal. Now we take two LEDs and connected with the ground through the resistors. After we take the DC power supply, which was already made in the previous video. Next we connect two wires to the positive terminal of LEDs. These two wires from the LEDs are connected to the relays normally closed and normally open terminals. Connect the positive terminal of battery to the armature. The power supply is now connected to the AC current. The 9-volt battery is connected to the armature to give input for LEDs. After connecting, one LED is glow because it is connected to the normally closed terminal. The battery's power supply is connected to the LED through the armature, so the LED is glow. Now we give 12-volt power supply to the terminals of coil. Now the another LED is glow and the previous LED which was glow is off. Initially the red LED is glow. When we give the power supply, the white LED, that means the open terminal is closed through the armature. After stopping the power supply, the armature is again closed to the normally closed terminal.